we're going to fly a drone at Winnats Pass.
Cool.
Right, let's send it, eh? That was a really fun flight. There wasn't as many lines to take as I thought there would be. There's a few edges to go down, a few valleys to kind of go through, a few cliffs to dive. It was nice, and the shots look really good, and the snow really adds to it. But yeah, definitely recommend people come fly here definitely early in the morning when there's not many people about. But really impressed with the drone. Really impressed with the drone, how it flies. It's just really fun.
What would you rate it?
What would I rate this? Oh, what would I rate this? I would rate this a 7 out of 10.
7 out of 10.
7 out of 10. Yeah, because if it had some more things to go through, there's a hole over there. I just couldn't quite fly through it. We could have a go with the Mavic Mini. Might have a go with the Mavic Mini.